We recommend doing this meditation daily if possible for 30 days to really gain access to aspects of yourself that you have denied, disowned, and rejected. Do it as many times as you need with a single aspect until you move on to another. If you don't have background knowledge on shadowwork, we recommend you watch the video on our channel titled Shadowwork, linked in the description box. When you're ready, let's begin. Close your eyes and make yourself comfortable. Scan your body once, from head to feet, and notice where you might be holding tension, or where your energy might be stagnant or heavy. Now, imagine a ball of liquid white light dripping from the top of your head and melting in a downward motion. Releasing the heavy energy and dissolving any tension. Let the liquid white light carry this energy through your feet and down into the earth. Imagine a black, energetic vortex in the earth under you that sucks out any energy you might have picked up that isn't yours. Mentally notice the space around you. Feel out its volume and density. And notice the temperature and the space that your body is taking up in the space around you. Let's take a couple of breaths, breathing in to the count of 6. And breathing out to the count of 8. Repeat this pattern a few times. Now notice the vortex underneath you become active, and as it activates, it becomes a portal of white blue light, and you step through it. Notice a stone ladder leading you down until you come to an opening that leads you into your favorite place in nature. Notice that it's nighttime and the moonlight illuminates a path, and as you step your feet on it, notice how your bare feet feel on the earth and how the comforting temperature of this night caresses your skin. following this path, notice how the trees are sheltering it more and more, filtering out the moonlight, and how the darkness becomes more and more comforting as it throws a blanket over your senses, and you start perceiving with your whole body instead. And coming to a lagoon, you step into the peaceful dark water and sink down, down, where you are safe, where the sounds are muted, and where the light becomes less and less, until you're blissfully suspended in total liquid darkness. The water is the exact right temperature, and you don't need eyesight anymore. In here, you feel whatever needs to be felt, and you know without the constructs of logic. And feeling how this liquid black mass penetrates your pores, dissolving any trace of anxiety or tension you still might be holding on to, energetically signaling that you are safe, nurtured, supported, and completely relaxed. Now, notice an aspect of yourself that has been coming up lately that you haven't been able to own, or something that you cannot accept about yourself, or something that you might be judging in another person, an insecurity. Notice the strongest one that has been tagging at the garment of your attention lately. See this word in front of you, suspended in the liquid darkness, and notice how it grows in intensity and scope, while it pulls out all of that specific energy out of you as it gets bigger and bigger. This is your shadow. It is part of yourself, yet it needs you to acknowledge something. Go ahead and ask it what its needs are. Take the time to give it unconditional attention and love. Whatever it needs from you, give it that. And now, letting the shadow aspect become bigger and more glowing, go ahead and integrate it through your pores, feeling how it adjusts your body, changing the tissues, the cells, the muscle structure, changing your gray matter, so everything in your body adjusts to this integrated version of yourself. And letting yourself float up, slowly emerge from the lagoon, feeling how fresh, pure, and changed you feel, how whole for the first time, healed, integrated, seeing everything around you with new eyes. Noticing things for the first time that you've never noticed before. Feeling things you've never felt before. And under this magical moonlit sky, bring forward the person or people, parents, caregivers, or maybe a person whose opinion you deeply care about, who will nurture this integrated self, love it unconditionally, support it, and accept it completely. And now bringing forward the version of parent you would like yourself to have. It doesn't even have to be one of your real parents. And notice how they meet all your needs on all levels as your authentic, most integrated and magnetic self. Take your time and do this now. Do whatever needs to be done. Let them give you whatever you need to fulfill any need that you may have until you hear my voice again. now it's time we head back through our portal, taking this magnetic, integrated self through. Go up the ladder, come out of the portal and into your body that's waiting on the other side. Take a moment to accept and welcome the shift as you have become whole.